Hey everyone, welcome back on a weekly crypto review, episode 87. Well, couple of more episodes and we'll reach 100. Well, it's Sunday again. We have to do the overview to see what we have to update on the road to financial freedom. Nice movement this week on Bitcoin at least. Altcoins are forming something nice, but Bitcoin rejected 54 and now it's pushing high again. Hey Miku, Michael, Kos, Bukur, Christian, Matthias, and everyone else. Well, I think we'll do it as usual. We'll do an overview on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the big ones. And then we'll go to the road to financial freedom to see the last coins, because we are at the end of the list, so we'll do more than 10, finish the list, and next week we'll start over again with the Bitcoin and so on. So let's start with Bitcoin on weekly. Miku, please tell me if everything is nice and clean on YouTube. Okay. So, 2 weeks ago, or 3 weeks ago, we discussed 54 level here. Long reload zone here, and I said, everyone was bearish. And I said, well, we have a long reload zone, we retested this bounce, and we should not be bearish here. And indeed, you can see this trend line hold, the long reload zone hold, even if you put the daily chart. 1 second. Okay, you can see candle body lows, and we discussed in the live streams about candle body lows and long reload zone, and you can see we bounced exactly from that level. On lower time frame we even made some W's here, and we pushed higher, and you can see long reload zone back at short reload zone. We are testing the short reload zone, the big one from overall. Nice movement. And a lot of people didn't manage to get that move up, but the public is usually wrong, so it's bearish at the support and it's bullish at the resistance. Well, that's how this game is played. Some of them, 1%, maybe 2%, will learn and will become traders. The rest of them, they'll lose money. So, for the moment here, we are above 60k. That's the main goal on weekly. I want to see if this candle will close and stay above 60k. It's an important support and resistance level. If we'll manage to stay above 60 on weekly basis, then, like we discussed multiple times, then we have a new range, 69 to 60. Until now, until this move up above 60, we had this support and resistance. We have 52 to 60, and now we have a different one. If you want to play the range, because we are in a big range and the market is going sideways, now it's more profitable to think range and to play the range game. It's not hard to play, it's just that the public is trying to find a trend and is hoping for all-time high every time the market is trying to retest all-time high. Every time when market was here, everyone was bullish. And every time the market was testing support, was bearish. Well, look back and you'll see it's not profitable to think like that. Especially when you have a range. I don't know how many people are expecting 69 to not be tested multiple times. It's pretty important level, all-time high from 2021. So you think we'll accept above and just go higher without retesting, without fighting at that level? I don't think so. Okay, now let's see what we can do from now on. First of all, this candle is not closed. I'm saying the same thing every time. Candle will be closed at the end of the week. So we can close even at the candle body highs here at 64 in a couple of hours, or we can retrace and close below 60k. When we'll have the candle close, we can say, well, we have a weekly candle, and then we can reassess where we are. I love the fact that for the moment we're above 60k, and I love that. I don't see that weekly W forming here, not yet. We can form something, but you can see we don't have a W on weekly. On daily it's a bit different, but on weekly we retested this wick or tail, call it whatever you want, and now we are bouncing, but overall still in the range. Indicators, let's hope that RSI will accept above 50. OBV is holding, and you can see a head and shoulder here, an inverse head and shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline here, and breakout. Maybe it's weekly chart, so it will take some time until that will develop, but it's possible. And that could mean something really nice. If we'll accept above 69, we can push higher. Okay, so Bitcoin is still in this range, 69, 60k for the moment. If we'll stay above 60, then we can play a different game. Let's see a little bit Ethereum, what we have on Ethereum. A lot weaker than Bitcoin. And we discussed that when we had this big gap. We said, well, Bitcoin is kind of in a range, but Ethereum has a big gap. I don't see the weekly W. It's bouncing here, but if we'll zoom out just for a couple of seconds, swing low, yeah, the low and the high, we didn't touch long reload zone yet. So the big support on Ethereum, I know a lot of people don't want to hear that, but the big support on Ethereum, it's at 2,000 or below $2,000. Look left. Look left. The fight here. Now we are fighting a really important level, 2,500. If you look left again, you'll see that in the past was support, was resistance, so it's an important level. But you want to convince me that this is bullish? Well, give me a W here. And maybe I still prefer to see the long reload zone. I know Vitalik is not busy with Ethereum now, has different problems to bull post, and he has a girlfriend. I don't know. Ethereum promised a lot from a long time ago, and the results are disappointing. At least in my opinion. I'm not a specialist, I'm just a stupid trader, but Ethereum promised a lot. Well, we'll change from proof of work to proof of stake, and we'll do that, and we'll do that. Well, the results, you can see them by yourself. From my perspective, transferring from proof of work to proof of stake was the biggest mistake on Ethereum. Yeah, don't have a cost of production, and the price could get manipulated a lot easier. But it's just my 2 cents about that. On the chart, I want to see a weekly W. We are on weekly basis. Give me a weekly W. I prefer below 2,100. So I'll prefer here in the long reload zone. But if the market will say, well, I'll W out on weekly basis above the long reload zone, well, let's assume that it's good enough. For the moment, we have just a dead cat bounce here. Let's see a bit in perspective here. So we have a high, we have a low, we have a lower high, we have a equal low, a lower high again, a lower low, and we are trying to stay here, but the trend is down on weekly basis. Just look at the chart. Yeah, on daily it's different. On 4-hour chart you can hunt long and short ideas all day long. But on higher time frame, doesn't look bullish for Ethereum. And to change my opinion about Ethereum, I need a weekly W. Let's see a daily a little bit. Now you can see daily. I have this trend line here, and we'll speak about this one in a minute. We had the same like on Bitcoin. We bounced, we retraced, and we tested 78.6. We hold the level, the support was this low was holding, and we made a W, ugly one, a bigger one here. But If I'm thinking trend line, I still don't have a complete W the other side of the trend line. So in my humble opinion, I think Ethereum in the best case scenario will go sideways. Okay, we can attack the high here. We can say, well, 2,800 could be touched. But overall, I don't see the bullishness. We have a W, big one, in this long reload zone. But this price action is because of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin dragged the price of Ethereum higher. Just my 2 cents. If I'll see a nice W on this LJ, the other side of the trend line, okay, maybe I'll be more bullish on Ethereum. But for the moment, I prefer to play long setups on Bitcoin, and I prefer to look at different altcoins that look a lot better than Ethereum. If I see the market is bearish, well, then I'll go on Ethereum to hunt a short idea for the moment. If you'll ask me why I'm still hunting like that, well, let's look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin on weekly. Can you tell me that this chart is bullish in your opinion? Similar thing. This big range, okay, is not anymore. Price is below. Lower highs and lower lows. We finally managed to get in a long reload zone, but I don't see W's. The market is still bleeding down. And I don't see anything special on indicators. Yeah, you can see the indicators are still bleeding. So, okay, I have long reload zone, but I'll prefer some bullish divergence there. I don't have that yet. So I'll still consider that we can go lower. Similar here. Yeah, give me a weekly W and we can, I will change my opinion. Until then, well, Ethereum sucks. That's the reality. And Vitalik is doing something else. Well, let's take a look at the chat a little bit. Maybe I missed something. Well, hello. That's nice. Nice to see you guys. Well, guys, I don't see why Ethereum will change here. I see the discussion. Ethereum will start performing if something new will happen on Ethereum. The fees are fucking high. Solana, it's better on that case. We have Tron, similar, lower fees, a lot of meme coins on Tron. We have Ton, similar thing. Why the fuck people should go on Ethereum? I don't get it. And people will go where is cheaper. In the past, well, the small money they are playing on Solana. Well, now everyone is playing on Solana, Ton, Tron. Nobody wants to play on Ethereum anymore. That's why Ethereum doesn't have demand here. It's that simple. They need to do something and they need to do it fast. Because the rest of the networks, they are gaining traction. And at some point in time, will be too late for Ethereum to recover. It's that simple. If you have momentum, if the market is on your side and everyone is working, wants to be on Ethereum, well, take advantage. If you don't do anything, well, Solana will take a share, Tron will take a share, Ton will do the same. And there are a lot more. And maybe in this couple of months, something else will appear as attractive for the people. Well, simple. I'm not giving up on Ethereum for the moment. It's in a long reload zone, could push lower. If I'll see a weekly W, then we can consider that will recover. Especially if I'll see a weekly W here on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. That will be a good sign to see a W here. We have location, and if I'll see a W, then something will change. Okay, so we discussed Bitcoin, we discussed Ethereum. Let's see what we have on Bitcoin dominance. Now, let me close a little bit the drawings. Guys, even if the indicators will show me some divergence, this is not bearish. So until I'll see, I'll see it slowing down here, an M or something, we have to assume that Bitcoin is still the king. And not the king in the idea that is the biggest one. And the king in the money will flow to Bitcoin for the moment. Bitcoin dominance is going higher. And without any drawings, I think 60% it's reachable pretty fast. If I'll see here, if I'll see an M, okay. If I'll see an M on daily, I could, that will be the first sign. Okay, we have an M on daily. Let's think about altcoin season. But look at here. This is clear. Higher highs and higher lows. Simple. And we don't have a daily M. Until then, yeah, if Bitcoin will go higher, some altcoins will be dragged up also. 1 or 2 or 10 altcoins will outperform everything, as usual. We have exceptions. But in general, Bitcoin is still strong. And maybe needs to test 60%, maybe a bit higher, and then to M out. I don't see a daily M, not for the moment. Indicators, okay, you can see the indicators. Yeah, we have potential divergence here on RSI, potential divergence, confirmed divergence on OBV. No, this is confirmed. Look at the M's. So we have weakness signs. Market maybe is not so strong, but until I'll see that M, I will assume that the market will do another push higher. This is my 2 cents. So that's Bitcoin dominance from my perspective. DXY, well, you can see here, without ink, without anything, without drawings, you can see 100, it's a big, fat, round number and will be a big support. And if we'll accept below, will be a big resistance. No? In time, I think we'll go below 100. How soon? I don't know. For the moment, it's holding. And we bounced once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. And now we're at the 5th time trying to bounce. But here we didn't have the interest rate event. Now we have an event. So this time could be different. We'll see. For the moment, it's still above 100. I want to take a look at total tree. That's my main focus here. Please tell me that you know what this pattern is and if it's bullish or bearish. Yeah, I'll put the drawings back. If you think this pattern is bearish, well, think about once again. This pattern is bullish. At some point in time, sooner than later, this one will attack the highs and will push higher. Yeah, some people say, well, it's too long. Well, not quite. It's long than usual, but still, you can see if we'll accept above this level, we have a double. Look at the indicators here. You cannot do too much technical analysis on a total tree, but just the basic ideas. Yeah? And we didn't even touch short tree low zone here on total. We didn't touch it. We have 10 times more altcoins and we didn't touch short tree low zone. Huh? We touched short tree low zone on total. We touched short tree low zone on total 2. We barely touched that 61.8. But on total 3, exception Bitcoin and Ethereum, we didn't touch that one. And this looks damn bullish. You can call it downtrend channel, you can call it bullish flag, you can call it whatever you want. But in my view, we just retest this level and we are consolidating here. At some point in time, will explode. And probably will take some time, guys. Don't think it will happen until, I don't know, next week. But my opinion, my 2 cents, just take 2 cents from a stupid trader. This will be an AB equals CD first time. Huh? And you can see AB, CD is pointing out at 78.6 here. We'll attack the all-time high here. Here we'll consolidate more and then maybe we'll push a lot higher. Who knows? But this is not bearish here on weekly chart. Okay, now ES, we discussed about ES in a lot of live stream last week. And I said something like this. On daily, weekly chart, let's put daily. I said, let's not short Bitcoin. Let's not short Bitcoin until we'll not accept below this level. And from the moment I said that, Bitcoin pushed higher. If the market will accept, and this is not a fake out, and will accept and will go to 6,000, just imagine what Bitcoin will do if ES will go to 6,000, maybe more. This could be a fake out and will go back in the range, or could be an AB equals CD, which will show us 6,000 kind of idea. Similar pattern like I showed you on Total 3. AB equals CD pattern, simple and basic. Can you see it? So let's wait and see what will happen here. If I'll see aiming out here on daily, on 4-hour chart, but especially on daily, and accepting back below, that could be power of 3 and will accept back in the range, well, then okay, I could play something different. But until then, it's strong. Keep in mind, yes, it's damn important. We tested the all-time high and we closed on daily chart above that level. We are above all-time high. And some people are bearish. Some people are saying, well, recession, well, welcome back on reality. We are in a recession from 2.5 years now. It's the end of it. Yeah, maybe we'll have a blow off bottom, not blow off top, and we'll have a strong event, but it's close to the end, not to the beginning. Yeah? The markets, the stocks, the general one, not the big ones, are at the top or at the bottom. Altcoins are at the top or at the bottom. I should be interested in buying or selling. Well, up to you. Okay, that's the overview. If you have something to ask me, or you have a request or something, please type in the chat. Yeah, the chat is telling me if I'm doing something right. If you have questions, please type there. If I see someone typing, I know that the connection is, at least the connection is good. And don't be shy. Put your thoughts in the chat and I'll gladly take a look. Don't put too much weight on what I say. I'm just a stupid trader. Yeah? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a stupid trader telling you what I do with my own money. Yeah? Okay. Now, that's the overview here. Last 2 weeks, I posted, let's not say a lot. I posted some bullish setups. I started with bot setups 2 weeks ago that hit the take profit. Then I reloaded it and I posted 4-hour and higher time frame long setup on some altcoins, and they are reaching the take profit. And I said last week, well, don't close them. Close 50% or 75% and trail the rest. Why? Altcoins could push a bit more here. Yeah? So it's hard to, I don't know, to say to someone when everyone else on Twitter and everywhere is saying, well, it's bearish, well, we'll go lower. And you are the only one of the only one saying, well, it's a long reload zone, well, I see a W, well, we are oversold already, the fear is here. Maybe it's a good idea to hunt some long ideas. Yeah? It's hard to think, it's hard to express, and hard to convince people that they should not sell support again. At least don't sell your coins. Yeah? We have the road to financial freedom. Let's go on the road to financial freedom. This plan is for everyone. It's free. Nothing you have to pay. Nothing you have to do. Just join our Discord. Go and see the road to financial freedom channel. Make a copy of this template and put the orders. Pay attention a little bit because you have to understand how this spreadsheet is made, but it's a complete one. Will help you a lot. Nothing you should pay for this one. And then we have another one for premium, a bit better. New coins, a bit different approach. And you can see, we allocated $3,000, just a number, so you can have an idea. I know people who have 30,000. I know people that they have 50,000 allocated. Just respect the percentage. It's not about the amount. And you can see we are 68% invested already. And next month we'll do an overview. We'll review the plan. The prices are a bit below our entries. Is the best plan I could make for the next exponential phase. But indeed, for this one, you should be a premium member. Yeah? I think it's one of the best plans. It's up to you if you want to follow this one or not. Next month, I'll do an overview. If we are at 68%, at the end of the month, we'll be more than that, probably 75%. And we'll reanalyze what we can buy more or what we should do next. Now, let's go back on the road to financial freedom. We'll start here with SUI. You can see we have a short Miku. So if you want to update the spreadsheet, I'll let you do that because you did it until now. So I'll let you have the pleasure to check that box. Yeah. So we bought, we short, we reloaded here, and you can see last week we pushed higher above the short. We should have a sell half on a double. If you didn't have the order there, well, the market, the price is above that level, so you can do it now manually. Now, our strategy is to sell only one short and then reload, nothing more. If it's we get free coins, we don't sell now. So SUI. Well, what we can do here, we short, it's pretty simple from my perspective. It's pretty simple. Reload 0.5 and again. At the same level. My English, especially when I'm writing, is not the best, but hopefully. So we should put another order exactly at the same level. Seems like it's working. Why change it? So we have the short, we released the money, we got our initial investment back, put an order at the same level. Who knows? If the market will not go exponentially up, then we can get another fill, and then we can short again. Well, we have short 1, short 2 here. So short 1, we have short 2, and that's it. We need another fill to have a short 3 here. For the moment, we have let's say we had 2.5 and 0.5, we have 1% free coins at that level. We got 2 shots. Not bad. Not bad. Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll get another one. Who knows? Well, the next one, it's high. Well, no, Grega, it's not a little old lady style. It's this part of the plan is little old lady style. This part of the plan is little old lady. Let's see, because we are only selling one shot and we're reloading, but if the market will go to the second one, we are not doing anything. The third one, we are not touching it. And in this part of the plan, we are accumulating with little old lady. 100% little old lady, sell half on a double and reload. And the second part, when the market is going exponential, you'll read the plan, we are doing something different. We are not selling shots, we are selling at the house levels and P cycle top. Okay. High here, well, you can see we bought 0.5, we bought another 0.5, average and sell half on a double. The market is trying. This is not bad. It's not bad if you want to start investing. Dollar cost averaging here. Look at this one. Even if took almost half a year here of consolidation, at some point look at the explosion. I'm assuming, it's just an assumption, that maybe will take a similar period of time, maybe less, but we'll have another explosion. And even for a trade here, it will not be bad, but extra careful. If you want to trade here, position trade and play only spot. Why? You don't want to leverage here. You don't want to use leverage. You don't want to have a liquidation price. You don't want to pay fees. So if you want to trade, let's play a trade here. Okay, wait for the weekly W or go on daily and hunt a better level, but play it on spot. Yeah, they could not intimidate you, let's call it that way, on spot. Okay, now, nothing to do here. Just do an average shot and that's it. Yeah? If you want to start playing around with this one, okay, not bad. Look at the bullish divergence on OBV here. Just look at it. Low, higher low, low, lower low. It's trying to confirm here. So OBV is telling you that maybe it's time to pay attention. People will pay attention here? No. They'll pay attention here, above $5. In the short reload zone, they'll come in Crypto Traders Arena and will ask us, well, I should buy this one here? It's usual, it's not the first time it's happening. Probably here at the candle body highs, here at 7.6, you'll see a lot of people shilling high and telling you that is the best thing ever. Now, nobody's paying attention. Only smart money. So, decide, think about, you are smart money, stupid money, or in between. You'll buy here or you'll buy here. Someone has to buy here to push the price higher. Someone has to FOMO here, and for someone to get to buy here, someone has to sell. Decide which part you want to be. It's up to you. Textbook. More than usual. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this support here. Just look at it. Look at the POC. Come on, people. Either we'll go belly up or go to zero. Well, that's why we have risk management. Either we'll pump in the short reload zone. My bet is that we'll pump once again, at least to test the short reload zone. At least, because we can push a lot higher, depending what will happen in the market. Yeah. If you zoom out, it's possible. Anyway, let's take a look at another one. If we stay too long, this live stream will last more than I want. So the next one is Dego. Let's see Dego. Similar. We bought 0.5 here. We bought 0.5 here. Short. Sell half on a double if you can. Well, let's see. There you go. So we bought, we short. Yeah. We reloaded. We got a fill here. We can see a potential W on weekly here. It's potential. If we'll accept above this level, it's a fucking weekly W. Not the smallest one, not the best one you want. This was the best one here. But good enough. And look at the OBV. OBV is pushing higher and the price is going lower. You can see bullish divergence trying to form here. Actually, W's here in RSI. Not bullish divergence. But the OBV is looking damn strong. Next one. Next one. Similar. We bought, we short. And we should short again. Nothing you can do here. Just be damn sure you have the orders in the market. Pretty simple. It's back at the support. We have the range. You can see. Range, explosion, back. We are lucky that we get this level. Trust me, this is, you are lucky that you get this level. And we even managed to get this one, 1.6. Give me a weekly W after a long period of ranging, breaking out, retesting, and another W. I think it's the fucking time to push higher. If you want more, I don't know, more tells, more reason to be bullish on this one, I don't know. Buy the top then. It's up to you. I don't know what this one does. I'm just telling you what I see on the chart technically. And that's it. Stupid trader approach, nothing more, nothing less. Just respecting the plan and doing basic technical analysis, nothing more. This one, at some point in time, everyone was speaking about the UNFI. Now, well, not too many people. And look at this. Maybe you'll go to zero, or maybe you'll retest this week high. Who knows? That's why we have risk management. But you can see we bought here, and now we should go on Binance and check if we have the short in the market. It's the only thing we can do here. I could see power of 3 here on weekly. Accepting and retesting will take some time, but I could see power of 3. Could stay here at the support a longer period of time and make a double and stay, I don't know, a couple of months, yeah. I think this one will retest at least candle body highs here, yeah. And I think it's even, if you zoom out, we can test even this week high. Yeah, so draw your short reload zone from here. Okay, next one. RLC. Well, look at it. Everything looks similar, guys. Everything looks kind of similar here. And people are not interested. People, they don't want to hear about crypto. Well, now if you ask anyone, your friends, what is crypto? Crypto is a scam. Watch out with crypto, it's a scam. They'll be bullish at the top, but here it's a scam. And you can see the prices in the long reload zone we bought, and we have a order lower, and so on. So it's up to you. It's up to you if you want to buy here or not. We have another buy lower. Just 1 second. Well, I don't know why I'm sneezing, but I'm sneezing. And I had to close the mic, so I'll not destroy your ears. So here we have a buy here, and then we got a fill. We don't have a weekly W, but it's a nice location. If we'll see the weekly W, the best will be at 88.6. But in meantime, maybe we'll get a fill lower. We still have that order at 79 cents. So, nothing to do. If you want, you just put your sell half on a double. Yeah, you have a fill at 1.6 and put at 3.2, put this short and wait. We don't know what will happen. Maybe in a couple of days they'll have some news and they'll go to the short and then we'll retrace all the way back down. So put your short there and wait. Next one. We have more than 10. We'll do everything here. So we still have some of them to play around, to watch them. Joe. Well, on Joe, we bought here at 28 cents. We have a limit order lower at 50 cents. Because we have a fill, we should put sell half on a double. We should play the short, put it in the market. Why? Well, let's close the... What is that? This, if we'll accept above this week high and we'll close above 38.9 cents, that's a weekly W in a damn good location. Maybe we'll stay longer and we'll range here, maybe, but we don't know that. Bullish OBV, bullish RSI, W's everywhere. So just put your, you have a fill, put short at the respective level and leave with the results. Maybe something bad will happen, or who knows, maybe we'll get a fill at 15 cents. But here we have a weekly W, which is nice. Next one, Manta. Well, this is a kind of new one. And we bought at 1.3 and now the price is almost half. I don't see the weekly W on Manta, not yet, but it's getting closer and closer. You can see the market is not going down as steep. It's trying to go sideways. And you already have here, you have some W's on OBV, which is nice. W on RSI, which is nice again. I could consider this one the bottom? No. I need that weekly W breakout retest, and then we'll analyze. It's a good level to dollar cost average if you like the new coins. Yeah. On this one, we have 1.3. We should have the short in the market, and we should watch. If we'll have at that point in time, we'll have enough free money, we can wait for the weekly W and buy another 0.5. It's a new coin, why not? Let's add more. But for the moment, nothing we can do. Pay attention, put some alarms, or pay attention for a possible weekly W here. Simple as that. RDNT. As you can see, I have a note from a long time ago here. Below 10 cents. Huh? We are below 10 cents now. Free to dollar cost average. We bought 25 cents. You can see we bought the long reload zone. Well, the price got destroyed. That's why we have risk management. Even if this one will go to 0, we lost only 0.5 from our portfolio. Not a big deal. So, wait for a weekly W here. You can see the OBV is pushing back up. Well, I don't have the weekly W. I cannot say that is bullish or not. It's still trending down for the moment. The next one, it's BICO. Well, where are you? This one. Tokenomics, I think they are bad. Look at this one. But we bought here at 26. We are at $22. We are trying to do, at this support, we are trying to do a weekly W. Will happen or not? We don't know. Nice OBV. I like it. This big M should tell us when this one will become bullish again. So take the M, take this side, take this one. How we'll know if this is valid for couple one people? Well, I'll explain for everyone. Well, this trend line will get validated, in my view, when the price will accept below this low. Will confirm this big gap. So when the price is accepting below, this trend line gets validated. Well, and then gets validated when it's touched third time, and the longer will stay in target will be more valid. But to have a valid trend line, you need the price below this level. Until then, it's just a potential. When the price of BICO will become bullish again on higher time frame? Well, I think we have location. We don't need on LJ location, but we have a damn good location. A W the other side of the trend line, and this one, it's free to push higher again. At least to retest a short reload zone. Now it's doing exactly the same thing that we had here. Consolidating, going sideways, support. Let's see the volume. Well, we're at the POC. Here the smart money are accumulating. Even the team is accumulating. Well, how? Well, let me tell you how. They sold the top. They sold you the top, not you. They sold the top to the beginners, to the public. Here at the bottom, with the money, the same money, they bought their coin back, and then they had some events. And from 25, 50, almost $1. And they sold here, and they are doing the same thing here. Who is the best to control a narrative and an altcoin than the team? So even the team is playing around, is making money on this chart. You want to be on the same side with the team, or you want to be the guy who's buying the top here? Up to you. On Crypto Traders Arena, we are trying to teach you when to buy and when to sell and how to approach the market. With a proper risk management, with a proper plan. Treat the market like a business. That's our motto on Crypto Traders Arena. Well, the rest is up to you guys. Okay, that's BICO. Next one. Byte. Again, a new coin. At the end of the list, we add some new coins. And you can see similar situation here, but this one just hold 78.6, didn't touch 88. Let's put it. You can see we are trying to buy 88. I don't see that weekly W yet, so we can push lower here. If we'll accept above and we'll form a nice W and we'll consolidate more, maybe we'll have to buy a bit higher. But for the moment, I'm okay with keeping the order there. So the order sits exactly where it should at 88.6. If you are a greedy goblin, you can do even an order at 0.6. 6 cents? Will not be bad. Maybe you'll get a fill. But here, nothing to do. Let it consolidate. Again, we'll have soon enough, when the market will shift a little bit to the bullish side, we'll have soon enough new coins again. And everyone will do the same fucking mistake. Well, it's new and shiny and we're making money. And you'll buy higher and you'll buy the top. Then, after it's not new and it's not shiny anymore, you'll see the NAM and the market will bleed all the way down. And in this part here, until the long reload zone, you'll see the influencer telling you, hold, diamond hands. It's your only opportunity to get rich. Hold the coin. And here you'll not hear anything about them. And when the market will push higher, again, they'll be quiet. And here at the top, they'll start shilling again. Maybe it's a coincidence. Maybe not. But I suggest to pay attention now and start dollar cost averages, just coins like this. Yeah? And try to sell some here in the top. When you'll hear the influencers, the usual ones, shilling, well, this fight it's the best at staking and things like that. Well, let's sell some. You want to buy it, it's bullish, okay, I'll sell you some. Yeah? So help them to buy at the top. But usually the smart influencers are selling here. Yeah? Ask Stefan with Tao. You'll see. You'll see. He has a great example with Tao. Okay. That's PITE. I'm okay with the limit order there, in conclusion. And Prom, the last one, and then we'll go to the requests. Prom, where are you? There you go. Nice location. We bought 0.5, sell half on a double, and nothing we can do here. Not a weekly double yet. Nice OBV. Acceptable RSI. Nice long reload zone. We are at the 88.6. If I'll put the alt, I can see exactly at the 88.6. Good area. Good area to make a double. So, if you like this coin, I don't know the fundamentals here, but if you like this coin, well, star dollar cost average is the best way to get the bottom. Well, just imagine that will form a bottom like this. If you dollar cost average a coin like this couple of months, you will get an average of the bottom. So don't underestimate the dollar cost average. Some people will say, well, dollar cost average is for beginners. You are stupid. It's not for beginners. It's the best strategy to get the bottom. Don't catch falling knives, but dollar cost average is a good strategy in the right moment. If you'll try to get in dollar cost average in the way up here, well, then again, it's not a good strategy. But here and here, I think it is. Okay, that's the last one. We have a fill, sell half on a double. We finished the entire list. Next week, we'll start from the beginning. Let's see, maybe we got some fills here. I don't think so, but I was a greedy goblin with the big caps when I put the orders. And I think we don't have too many fills here. But you can see after 10, and these ones we have some. Now, I see some requests. And let's take the request. Let's not lose time. Until the request, I'll look at the calendar. You can see we have some news, but this week is pretty quiet. So we can play around, especially swing traders, day traders. Yeah? I'm not speaking with investors now. Investors, what will happen next week is just noise for them. But for swing traders and day traders, good environment to hunt setups. Yeah. Don't stay on 3-minute chart. Stay on 5, 15, 1 hour. If you're a swing trader, hunt 4 hour. 4 hour looks really nice on some altcoins. You have some W, so pay attention. Could be a nice environment this week. Now, we spoke about the last chance challenge. We spoke about the economic calendar. Twitter, I don't see anything special. Let's do some requests. And well, I see Grega selling OMG, AVAX, and Gala. I'll do a short overview because I see too many of them. OMG. Okay. Well, OMG, where we have it? Bybit. Okay, let's take Bybit, for example. And I'll start with weekly and I'll go on daily. I think that's better. Okay. Well, we have a weekly W on this one. That's why Grega is saying about this one. I don't like the OBV here, but doesn't matter. You can see weekly W on RSI, weekly W on OBV. Nice weekly W overall. So if you want to take a trade, well, not bad. To take even a position trade, because this is not day trading, is not swing trading, is not anything else than position trading. And this you can see, you have 3 to 1 just to retest this resistance. And then if you are thinking short, 3 low zone to test this one, you have a better risk to reward. So, nice one. I like it. If you want to position trade here, okay. I'll go on daily just a little bit to see more. Okay. Okay, acceptable here. I don't like this dump on OBV, but anyway. You want to be better than this weekly W? Well, okay. I'll show you. Simple as that. Look at the support exactly here. Just look at this long reload zone. If you want to stay on position trading, okay, take that 27 cents. It's good enough. But if you are into swing trade, then you should wait, be patiently to wait at least 61.8. But I think a W here, yeah, so a W in this area here, something like this, that will be I don't know how exactly will look, but a W here. Look at this candle. Grega, look at this candle. This candle needs a retest. The market will not go anywhere without retesting this candle. We'll stay here and we'll push higher, maybe. We'll form an ICM for you to see, maybe. But after we'll retest this candle and you'll see another W, you can swing trade this one. But this candle is telling you that you should fucking pay attention. Put that one in your hunting list. Okay, that's what I could say about OMG. Let's go back on weekly and let's take a look at the next one. AVAX. Well, let's see AVAX. Well, Grega, I think you're hunting weekly W's. Yeah, you can see. Similar, yeah? Weekly W in the long reload zone. It's the first W, and even if I like this one, maybe if you are a position trader, okay. But if you are a swing trader and you want to outsmart the market, maybe you should wait a little bit more. I don't know. So take half of the position here if you don't have exposure, and then wait for lower levels. I don't like this empty space. And this level at $11 wasn't retested. I don't like that. That doesn't mean the market could not push higher. It could. But I don't like this $12 here. This initial W wasn't retested now. And here, look left, we bounced because we had support. And this weekly W is not confirmed yet. You want to see a clear confirmation? Well, we need a candle body close above this week high from the middle of the W. Okay? So, it's there and it's not there yet. On daily, let's see what we have on daily. Yeah. OBV is lagging. That's first I could see here. OBV is lagging. I don't see big volume. And here looks more like a range. So yeah, you can swing trade, but I don't see anything special here, I'll be honest. Influencers are still shilling AVAX. Maybe it's a bit stronger because they have some meme coins, they have some things working. Maybe. I prefer not to trade this one. I have some exposure on it from $10 because I was a stupid trader here at $10. And I saw this W and I told you multiple times, buy AVAX here, buy AVAX here. On Road to Financial Freedom, you can see we don't have fills yet. But I have a lot of exposure from this level, from $10. I sold some close to the top here, but I still have a lot. If we'll come back down here and retest this level, I'll load the boat at the max allowed for my portfolio, for my plan. But here I'm not really interested. But that's just me, Gregor. Next one, it's Gala. Let's see. All shit coin, this one. Well, damn good location. I don't know if it's still working or not, or what it's doing now. Damn good location and potential W. Nice eye. I love the fact, Grega, that you are interested in the right coins at the right moment. So you are focusing on what you should focus. Nice work. And you can see long period of consolidation. I love that. We even have a feel on this one. OBV is looking a lot nicer than the price action. That's another bullish sign. Damn good location here. Initial W, ugly one, but well, that's what we got. A, B, and you can see what happened next. Will take longer to consolidate. Well, the longer the better. If you manage to buy, I don't know, 1.5 cents and sell 3 cents over and over again, you'll get a lot of free positions. Weekly basis, again, if we'll accept above this level, we'll close above the week high, then we'll have a confirmed bullish W, weekly W. Until then, I don't know. Could range a long period of time here, but it's looking nice. I like it. Daily chart. Let's see daily. Well, similar with AVAX. Going sideways here. It's a range is consolidating. Okay, if you get at the bottom here, you can get a W, you can get a swing trade. You can get a 2-to-1, maybe a 3-to-1. But it's ranging and you have to play the range game if you are interested in this one. Okay, now back on weekly. Let's see more requests. Okay, let's see. Let me read the chat a little bit. Richard says Wolf. Wolf and Riot. Let's take a look at the Wolf. Well, I don't see anything on this one. I cannot find this one. But let's look at. You are talking about stocks, I think. I think so. Yeah, Terra Wolf Corporate. Okay. It's a bit too high for my taste. We looked at this one. Could here you can form a bot setup if you know what that means, Richard. Yeah, I think you know what a bot is. But I don't have a location here. We had W's, we had location, we had the area, we had a retest, but now it's too high. I don't touch that one. Let's see Riot. It's too high for me. If you go, has to go without me. Riot, at least you have a damn good location. Look at that one. Retesting the initial W. Well, if you want to play Little Old Lady, okay. If you want to play something else, to play a setup, wait for that weekly W. No? I don't like the fact that OBV is not in divergence, RSI is not in divergence, so could push a bit deeper, maybe to 88.6, and then form a W. But if you are dollar cost averaging or playing Little Old Lady, good enough. Okay. Let's see more requests. Catalin says QNT on weekly. Yeah, why not? So there are some stocks looking interesting, Richard. There are some stocks looking interesting, but same shit, different pile. Okay. Long reload zone, below long reload zone, bullish divergence, W. Depending what time frame you are playing. If you are an investor, look at weekly. If you are a swing trader, look at 4 hour, frame your setup on 4 hour chart. Yeah, look at dailies and frame your setup on 4 hour chart. If you are a day trader, you have to stay below 4 hour chart, and probably you'll take your trades on 50-minute chart. Simple as that. But same shit, different pile. Exactly like here. Pushing higher, initial W, okay. Wait for that W. Okay, I forgot about QNT. Okay, let's take a look at it. QNT. Crypto. There you go. Well, this one looks really interesting. I like this one. Why? I like this one. Why I should like something like this? Well, the pockets above. Location, damn good. So we have first reason. Second one. Well, I don't see special. I see some bullish divergence here on OBV, I think. No, not quite. Following the price action. But price structure is really nice. Why? It's testing the initial W. So someone with money from the team or investor said, fuck it, it's enough. Let's push it higher. And now the market pushed back down at the same fucking level and is doing another weekly W. And this one looks really nice because we already have that weekly W. Now, the question is, I'll chase here above, I'll play the weekly W, I'm a position trader, or I'm a swing trader and I need to zoom in on daily chart. If I'm a position trader, I should buy the fucking W here and live with the result. If I'm a swing trader, I should go on daily. I know already that we have a weekly W and I should play something like this. Okay. Let's wait and see what will happen here. We have equal highs. If we am out here, that will give us long relow zone. Here, 61.8. If you see the market at 61.8, feel free to take this setup. Just my 2 cents. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Please. I'm just telling you what I'll do with my own money, if will be the case. Yeah? And for the target, if you'll get lucky and you'll get that entry. For the target, well, simple. Pretty simple. Well, let's assume that it will not do great things. Just a bounce in short reload zone. Well, there you go. Look left. Well, good level. What do you think? It's possible to take a trade there and sell it there. It's a 4.7, 4.5 risk to reward. It's a good setup? I think so. So that's QNT. So position trader, investor, take that W on weekly. It's good enough. Swing trader, wait for the market to get here in the long reload zone and play it. You have a change here. Something happened. You have an uptrend already on daily. You can see low, high, higher low, higher high, and again on higher time frame you have the same. So you have an uptrend already. Retest of long reload zone 61.8, it's a gift. Yeah? That's a gift. You should wait for the market to get here and manually put the trade. No. Now, because you have the Swift, you should put a limit order here. So put an OCO. Limit order here with the stop loss here and take profit all the way down, up there. Complete order, put it in the market and just wait. Okay? Okay. Now, let's see the next one. Digibyte? Okay. Well, Grega, you probably know what I'll say about Digibyte. And I probably know how it looks if you told me about it. I think you're a tier higher and you're an old one. Guy who listened to Brian maybe as long as me. I made level 1 in 2019. 2018, 2019 and old on TRI. I'm not active anymore because Crypto Traders Arena is taking a lot of time, but I learned to trade from Brian. Well, Digibyte, you know that. Damn good location. We took the lows, which is nice. We took the liquidity here. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, okay, we took the liquidity. Wait for that weekly double. Feel free to buy your entire position, desired position at the weekly W and leave with the results. Yeah, same, Grega. I'm from 2017 and I had the patience to wait and don't touch crypto because it was at the top, and I bought my first Bitcoin in 2018. Close to 6,000. 8, 7, 8, 6, and everyone was saying that the bottom is in, and I believed them because I was a beginner. And then we got 3,000 and people said 1,000. Luckily I managed to listen to Bob Lucas and I bought more. That was my first experience with Bitcoin. Also, I bought a lot of shitcoins that in 2018 they are too high at that point in time. So I learned my lesson with shitcoins. Shitcoins in the 4-year cycle, they'll have their days in the sun at the end when they'll go exponential. In the rest of the time, it's better to focus on Bitcoin. Okay, so here we should wait for the weekly double. If we'll form the weekly double breakout and retest, okay, Greg, I know that that's the bottom. If you'll see following down and going lower, same idea, wait for that weekly double. Looks promising, but wait for that condition to meet that condition. Weekly double, breakout and retest. Take the trade at the retest. Until then, maybe could consolidate a bit more. Looks nice as a location. Nice OBV, damn nice. I love this OBV. Even RSI is trying to make some Ws. But that doesn't make it will go exponentially up. No, could consolidate here. Maybe something bad will happen and will push lower. Who knows where the bottom will be. But yeah, looks attractive. Looks we are looking in the right direction. Something which is forming the bottom, testing the bottom, not buying the tops. Okay, well guys, that's the last one. If I forgot any request, please retype it in the chat. Maybe I missed it in the chat. You are welcome, Grega. Why not? Join the free part of Discord and you can discuss in the general chat. It's up to you. If you want more, we have premium, we have VIP, but if you are just an investor, free part is more than enough. Premium is for swing traders. VIP is for day traders. It's that simple. If you are just an investor and you are looking at the weekly chart, feel free to join the free part. You will get verified and we can discuss weekly time frame. I'll gladly answer any question on position trading and investing. Luna? Well, which one? Luna, new Luna or Luna C? Well, put your question, discuss on a general chat on Crypto Traders Arena, and you'll see that a lot of people, even if they know technical analysis, they prefer to stay on investing part. It's easier. It's low emotions. Easy to stay in the market. So, Luna. Which Luna, Bucur? Well, it's Luna C, Luna B, Luna, a lot of Luna. Okay. Yeah. Some people from TRI made a lot of money with Luna, Bucur. But Luna at the end did the ugly thing. From $110, $114, reaching almost zero, destroyed a lot of lives. Some people even took their lives, and was really ugly. Not for me. I was lucky with Luna, and I'll tell you why. Let's blab away a little bit. Well, I saw TRIer talking about Luna here. this area. Okay, and I missed it here at even at this W. In my thinking was, well, they need to retest some levels here. Okay, I didn't like this one. I said, well, no, it's too high, $7. Keep in mind that the price was at some point below $1. I said, I'm not buying at $7. Even if it was looking really nice. And that was my luck because I didn't get an entry after that. Market was pushing higher and higher. Here was too high. Instead, I shorted the Luna here. And I even, Stefan was at the beginning of his journey. And he said, well, I don't have too much money. I don't know what to do. He said, well, I told him, well, short Luna and keep the trade as long as possible. And of course, Stefan managed, as any beginner, managed to fuck around and take a 2 or 3 to 1 risk to reward. And then you can see what happened with Luna. Well, and from that point, Luna is going sideways. Supply, it's different. I don't know if we'll recover. Let's look at the last bounce. Okay, this is the bottom. Let's take the last bounce. Well, this is the top. This is the bottom. Let's draw a long reload zone. Okay. You can see 78.6 is there. Let's put an altcoin long reload zone. Even better, below 88.6. If you are zooming in, OBV now looks nice. So we have location. OBV is looking nice. Some W's here on weekly. Similar. It's a weekly W. Look what happened last time when we had the weekly W. So something like this if you are interested, Booker. Something like this. Where you close the trade? Well, I suggest to close at 2 or 3 to 1. 50% from the position. Move your stop at scratch and forget about it. That could give you a damn nice risk to reward. But you have to put your hands under your ass and patiently wait longer. A long period of time. Which is damn hard to do. It's that simple. It's hard to stay and don't do anything. So, as an example, look what happened in this location when we had the last weekly W. You can see. Ding, bing. Nice. And you even had a retest here. Kind of a retest of that weekly W and then push it again. Now, you are in the same situation. Trying to make a W. Take the breakout. Don't wait for the retest because you can see here last time for the retest to happen. So, take the breakout if you want. Don't risk too much because could go belly up. You are kind of a position trading. Or little old lady. Buy now, sell half on a double and forget about it. After you get in a free position, just don't touch it. Okay, Grega. Well, the oldest shitcoin, Grega, EOS. Okay, that will be the last one, Grega. Usually I intend to keep this live stream below 1 hour, but if we have people interested in looking and requesting, why not? So indeed, Booker doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. Dollar cost average, little old lady, even position trading here, taking this W, doesn't look bad at all. A lot of people are not paying attention. They have a fear in their bones about Luna. And that could be a nice opportunity. So, indeed, guys, it's a good idea. If you'll take it or not, that's up to you. Okay, let's look at EOS. But I'll stay on the same time frame, weekly. Damn old shitcoin, Grega. Look at it. Look at this one. You can see 2018. July 2018. EOS was below $8 and I bought some EOS. Well, has to go back up. Look what happened. I bought here the W. I accumulated and I made some money. Last cycle I made some nice money on EOS. I didn't get rich with EOS, but I made some money. Old shitcoin, soft rug pull. You know what that means. Yeah? US guys will pay their salaries, will pay their vacations, they'll buy some cars, they'll just milk the money legally from US, and well, at the end we'll say, well, didn't work. We tried, we worked on it. I tried to code in the pool, but didn't work. So we'll start a new project. The same stupid people who believed in us last time, let's try to get them in again. Exactly. Soft rug pull. Easily, legally, nobody could ask them what they did with their money. Well, we tried, but didn't work. You know the drill. Everyone should know that. Well, let's speak technically. This one, because they have a community, they still have a community. You can see here we had a weekly W, and you see the result. Here we are trying to make a weekly W, Greg, and probably will have the same result. Yeah. So on weekly basis, 50 cents, 56 dollar starting now to dollar cost average here, or to use little old lady. Not bad. 50 cents, it's a good level for EOS. Let's see the OBV. Well, not bad. You can see we already have weekly W on OBV and RSI. So the signs are there. In the past, EOS was end of the pump kind of tell. So let's say the altcoins are pumping, and at the end you'll see EOS pumping. Well, it's the end of the move. Get the fuck out and wait for the next pump. But who knows? I didn't saw EOS doing anything this cycle. We'll see. But interesting level, damn good level. Even a power of 3 here. You can see if we'll accept above this level, I'll make a W breakout retest, power of 3. We can attack the highs. We can at least try to take $1.4. And if we zoom out, $4, $5. I don't know about more than that, but it's possible. We can make some money on this one. I'll sell my house, my car, or something else for this idea to buy yours now. All shitcoin rug pull, who knows? Maybe they'll recover, maybe not. 1% and that's it. Simple. Well, guys, I don't know. If you have some ideas how to, I don't know, to add something to this live stream, I'll gladly listen to your advices, or I think we are doing a good job every week, Sunday, for the next week, to see the overview, to see where we are, how the market is behaving. For the moment, until the end of the month, the daily crypto plan will still be available for everyone. But from October, I'll put it only for premium people. Yeah, because we're talking about ideas. I'm not that guy. If I see a trading idea, not to share it with the audience or to share it with the people who are following me. And maybe it's not the best decision from my part. So I prefer to keep it low profile, only premium members to see, to hear about my ideas. I'm blabbing away every time I have the chance, and I have disclaimers everywhere where I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just telling you what I do with my own money. But still, it's not about that someone will ask me why I posted that. It's the problem that maybe it's not a good idea for a beginner, for example, to take a trade idea from me without knowing the risk management, without knowing how I'm framing a setup, how much money I'm risking from my portfolio. A guy who could sell his car and bet everything on my idea. And I have, you know that, I'm a trader, a stupid trader. I have 55-60% win rate. With more than 2-to-1 risk to reward. I'm profitable, but 40% of my trades, definitely 40% of my trades will go belly up. So if you don't have risk management, you can destroy your account. So that being said, from October, I'll put the daily crypto plan only for premium members. Private videos still on YouTube, but only for our community. This one will stay put. We'll do this one until this plan will be over, until the road to financial freedom will be over. And we have a long road in front of us. We are still in this part, still using little old lady to accumulate a lot of coins. And then we have this one. This one will be shorter, I think. I think 6 months and we'll be done. And at the end, okay, we'll draw the conclusion. And after that, we can change. Maybe we'll not do Sundays. Maybe we'll do something else. Who knows? But until this plan is over, we'll do the weekly crypto reviews. Okay, guys. I don't think we have anything else to talk about. Take advantage. The last words. Take advantage of the market state here. Take advantage that nobody is interested. No? Take the max advantages. This opportunity will not last forever, guys. We are lucky that it lasted until now. Maybe we'll have more months. Let's say this year will be still a good idea to accumulate. But sooner than later, this phase will be over, and probably the exponential phase on altcoin will not last more than 2 or 3 months. So it's up to you guys. But at the end, I'm not a financial advisor. Before I'll run the disclaimer, the official one. Huh? I'm not a financial advisor. Be damn sure you are doing your own diligence on everything. If you want to join our Discord, feel free to join us. We'll start Capua 2 pretty soon. If you already know how to trade and you are not losing money, or you know what you are doing in the market, feel free to join Capua 2. And Stefan and I, we can help you to sharpen your tools and become a good day trader. Capua 1 registration are over. I think it's too late to register for that one. If someone thinks that could recover, has enough free time and could recover 3 weeks what we teached until now, maybe. But I have to see if it's willing to recover what we did until now. We already at the technical. Next week we'll go on market state and market structure and a lot of nice things. Yeah, I'm not trying to shill you guys. I'm not trying to shill you Capua 1. I'm not trying to shill you Capua 2. I'm not trying to shill you Premium. Join the general part. It's more than enough if you are an investor. If you want more, if you want to swing trade and see your ideas, okay, you have to pay a small fee. If you want to be a VIP, then you have to pay Stefan for his work. But generally, I prefer to have a strong community and to share your ideas in general chat. Okay, guys, that being said, let's close the live stream. See you tomorrow morning in the daily crypto plan. Take advantage, respect the risk management, and don't forget we are in 2024. Yeah. Okay, see you guys.